Hi, my name's Andy. I'm one of the wine specialists based here in Waitrose in John Lewis, Oxford Street. Today is the fourth day of English Wine Week, and as promised, we're going to try an English red wine today. Now, a lot has been spoken of and written of English Pinot Noir in recent months, and there are some really lovely examples out there. But there are some other great varieties that we make a success of in this country, and Bonney is a winery in Sussex that has made a real specialism of red wines. And their dark harvest here is 100% Rondo. Rondo is one of those hybrid grape varieties that takes Vitis vinifera, the European wine vine, and breeds it with one of the American disease-resistant varieties. And that means that Rondo is not appreciated as a quality grape for wine production anywhere else in Europe, but it's quite widely grown in this country because of its resistance to rot and to mildew. The Rondo that's planted at Bonney's been there for quite a while. Bonney's been making wine now for more than 40 years. They're one of the original English wine pioneers from the 1970s. And Sam, who is the head winemaker there now, is the daughter of the original founders of Bonney. So it's still a family business. This Rondo's from 2017. And it's fermented in a combination of stainless steel and oak, and gets a little bit of oak aging. The vines are about 12 years old, and there's a lovely smoky, oaky background to some quite sort of juicy fruit character. Red fruits, think raspberry, and a little bit of blackberry, and some spicy oak notes. Medium bodied, fairly gentle dry tannins, nice texture, lovely fresh acidity. Those red berry fruits, very apparent, and a little bit of spicy oak on the finish. This is a great wine to have with a plate of charcuterie, or works quite well with game birds, duck and pheasant and that sort of thing. If you haven't tried English red wine before, you owe it to yourself, and this is a great place to start. Cheers.